After the Wake. By some accounts, this will be the warmest winter ever recorded. Dad shades his eyes, says the shrubs need snow. That weight protects their roots from chill. Says last week's sleet dripped straight through, right past the good dirt, where it should have frozen. Spring wants a deep well of ice to flood the roots. His voice bows my head to the path, and I slow my steps to his. These sentences are the most I've heard him say in years. When I was young, I looked up to silence. Arms crossed, his eyes dragged tornadoes across the sky. While we huddled in the bathtub, braced against pillows, yelling for him to come back inside. I pause at the pier, waiting for a call or gust of wings to soften our silence. Do you remember any stories Grandpa used to say to you? He squints his eyes, summoning a pine needle onto the thawed surface of the pond. Your grandpa worked nights at the mine 7 days a week. He wasn't the type for stories. I lean into the wood railing as the geese follow each other past chunks of ice, wings tucked beneath them, one by one, into the wake. Thanks, y'all.